In the Caribbean, food is a big part of our culture. Recently, my husband and I were on the way to the beach, and along the way we popped into a small artisanal restaurant. Most persons who would normally patronize the restaurant were at work, so it was empty. I got to thinking, how can this business turn this downtime into something that is income generating? Most restaurants have in their business model a catering element to it. But what you've been doing is waiting for someone to approach you to get your next catering job. On the days that you actually have no clients or very low customers coming through your establishment, activate a catering strategy. Position yourself in different spaces, so on the days when there is very little traffic through your restaurant, you can now go into the spaces where the activity is and increase your income on those downtimes.